Hello everyone, this is Mr. B from Simple Trade, and today we're going to discuss about OCLG. This one is another alpha-rich custodian play, so let's dive in and try to break it down and see what is the reason for its recent popularity. So let's start with this green volume candle on May 27th. As you can see, on May 27th, alpha-rich capital started a petition and filled some files: compliant application, initial appearance, fee disclosure, motion for appointment, clerk's notice of hearing, all this on May 27th, and this is what caused this volume spike. Next, on June 2nd, Opportunity Zones Capital tweeted that the court date for OCLG was set to June 16th. On June 15th, alpha-rich capital said that they have so-called a little problem with the old management, and they noticed an opposition about this custodian petition, and they're trying to reach the old management and they're waiting for their response. This so-called bad news probably caused the 3 days red candles right here, as people were afraid that the opposition by the old management will cause a setback in the custodianship process. But on June 25th, we see a big volume which started a 16 green days out of 23 last trading sessions. So let's see what happened on June 25th that caused all this. So on June 25th, we see that OCLG stipulation and order in alpha-rich capital custodianship petition granted. God bless America. And the company reinstated with the Nevada Secretary of State, and we're moving on to the transfer agent settlement. These are great news. One of the better news that trader can get is a share reduction. And on June 30th, the company tweeted that it had lowered its AS from 7 billion to 1.65 billion, and this action was taken to protect the shareholders' value. On July 16th, another great tweet by Opportunity Zones. They say that OCLG is one of our shells in high demand, and all the merger candidates loves our OCLG, but we're exercising due diligence to determine which business combination would create a better shareholders' value. This is also great news. So if you look at the chart, you can see we had a couple of opportunities to make some money along the way. But if you bought the shares from day one, you could have made almost 500% on your money if you kept the shares till now. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and drop a comment. And join our Discord community, Simple Trade. I was Mr. B. See you next time.